Meet Jennifer Brewington, a motorcycle rider who's inspired countless women to pursue their passions and live life to the fullest. From her early days to the 10th year of her all-female motorcycle ride, Jennifer's love for the open road has brought her on a journey of self-discovery and growth.
I am Jennifer Brewington, and I am God Well.
Jennifer Brewington is an engagement coordinator at Florida Blue.
I love Florida Blue. I feel it's a place for advancement. So I started in MCC, which is the Member Contact Center, which is taking incoming calls from my members. Now I'm in a care team. And I also did a little bit of training with training new hires.
While she's passionate about her work, it's on the open road where she really finds herself.
When I ride, it opens up like a different dimension, from the speed, from the wind, from the quiet time. And being in your helmet, it's just you. So you kind of want to talk to yourself, you can answer yourself, and it's just that time of therapy.
Jen's story is one of grit, perseverance, courage. After going through a dark time in her life, it was the open road that became her refuge, a place where she was able to forge a new path, a new beginning.
Me and my ex-husband went through a divorce, and there I kind of went into just a sad place. And then I refound myself and just rejuvenated the strength that I have, and I found it on the highway. This just restores it all back.
With renewed courage and confidence, Jennifer expanded her horizons and embarked on journeys across North America.
So I have done all the states a few times. California, I want to do again, very beautiful. Canada, very, very beautiful. And I want to go back to Alaska. Maine was beautiful. I tried the lobster there in Maine. So I have been everywhere.
Those adventures taught Jennifer many lessons, literally and figuratively.
The biggest thing I ran into, when you're going through the desert, the wind is real strong. And that was my first time riding a motorcycle sideways. So you're not riding up, you're literally riding to the side. And you're a little nervous because you're like, the bike is going to fall, but it doesn't.
While on her own journey to personal growth, something pretty remarkable happened. Her story was empowering women across the country who were following Jennifer's cross-country trips on social media, inspired by her patented positivity.
It just taught a lot of women that, what are you waiting for to live? What are you waiting for to ride?
To help other women find their strength and courage the way she did, she organized an all-female motorcycle ride in Jacksonville, Florida. This year marked the ride's 10th anniversary.
So I started this ride because I wanted to bring women together. And it went from 8, and now we're at probably well over 700 women. And that's what it's about. It's just bonding, bringing us all together. It gives us all an opportunity to collaborate and pull on strengths and weaknesses amongst each other to build each other up.
At work and on the road, Jennifer is fueled by helping others live their lives with courage, despite any challenges that may be waiting around the bend.
Don't give up. Don't give up. We always have to put our right foot in front of the left and keep moving forward. And sometimes struggles and hard times may look like the end, and we want to give up, but you got to keep going. So I would tell anybody that deals with any struggles, any past hurt, any letdowns, that it's just a bump in the road, and you got to keep walking the road to get to the end. Don't give up.
Jennifer reminds us that with passion, determination, and a little bit of courage, anyone can overcome obstacles and achieve their goals.